In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently delete a service charge from your Fresha dashboard. Managing your service charges is a crucial aspect of maintaining an organized business operation. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. To begin, log into your Fresha dashboard. Once you're comfortably in your dashboard, you'll want to turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a row of icons that represent different areas of management. Among them, there's a small gear icon, which is universally recognized as the symbol for settings. Go ahead and give that gear icon a click. Once inside the settings, you'll need to look around for the section labeled Sales. This section is designed to help you manage all financial aspects of your business, including invoices and charges. Click on Sales to open up a list of related options. Next, you'll need to navigate to the left-hand menu again. From there, find and select Service Charges. This section will display all the service charges currently set up in your system. It's your central hub for adding, reviewing, and deleting any service charges you might have. As you're scanning through the list, look for the specific service charge you want to delete. This could be anything you might no longer offer or something that's outdated. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the right one, as this action will permanently remove it. Once you've found the correct service charge, direct your attention to the right side of that entry. You should see an action button, probably represented by 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow. This is your gateway to modifying or removing that charge. Click on the action button to bring up a short menu of options. From this menu, select Delete. A confirmation message may appear to ensure you're fully intent on deleting this service charge, essentially offering you a moment to reconsider. It's always a good measure to double-check that you're deleting the correct item to prevent any unintended consequences. After confirming your choice by clicking Delete again, you'll find that the service charge has been successfully removed from the system. And there you have it. You've just deleted a service charge from your Fresha account with ease. By following these carefully laid out steps, you can ensure that your service charges are up to date and fine-tuned to reflect the current state of your business offerings. Maintaining this kind of financial accuracy is not only good practice, but is key to running a smooth and successful operation. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.